Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to go over some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2005 through 2011 Chevy Corvette. Alright guys, we have the seats pulled out of our customer's 2008 Corvette with the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery already installed on the passenger seat. Before we install the driver's side upholstery, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the factory cashmere covers to the new custom leather upholstery. After matching up our samples to the existing interior, our customer chose to do a two-tone combination of black as the primary color with perforated sandstone inserts. Lastly, to finish off the look, we added contrasting sandstone thread for all of the double-stitch seams. Our 2005 through 2011 Corvette kits are actually designed for the original leather to be removed before installation. As you can see, we use a similar style of attachments to the factory upholstery, including all of the necessary Velcro and hog ring attachments. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, you will need basic hand tools as well as hog rings and hog ring pliers, and optionally a clothing or upholstery steamer. If you're not looking to install this yourself, our upholstery is designed in a way that most local automotive upholstery shops can install it for you. If you're planning on having your kit professionally installed, give us a call and we can see if there's a shop in your area. Because we designed this kit as an actual replacement to the original upholstery, once installed properly, they'll retain a factory fit and finish while maintaining all of the seat adjustments. They're also fully compatible with the factory side impact airbag system. These seats are the sport seats that have the built-in airbags, but we also offer a kit compatible with the base seats that came from GM without side impact airbags. Our customer chose our 100% leather content for this kit, which is more leather than came on the factory upholstery. We do also offer a premium kit, which has leather on the seating surfaces and matching vinyl on the sides and backs.